Okay, good morning guys. So, today is May 10 and it's my Lola's birthday. I'll just try to vlog the event later. Hindi naman siya bongga. Small gathering lang to celebrate my Lola's birthday. So, yeah, I'll just see you later. Bye!
Ang gugma, murag sabaw, lamig.
Happy birthday, ma. Katula rami, ma. Ma, tinula ra. Day litson, day nay litson. Nay litson.
Ano to? Tara to. Salamat dong.
Happy birthday to you. Hindi ka makita parts. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ma. Love you. Happy birthday, lang. Happy birthday. Uy, ano happy birthday? Happy birthday, ma.
Wala dito na ko play. Heading home now. So, good night everybody. Thanks for watching. Ciao!